Struggling with storage in your home? Tired of dealing with bulky, outdated solutions that just don't fit in your space? Meet CASA DORA, your go-to online destination for stylish, durable, and fully assembled storage solutions. Proudly Australian owned and operated, CASA DORA is designed to help you create an organized, clutter-free home with our stylish, high-quality storage solutions. From shoes and toys to books, nursery essentials, craft and office supplies, CASA DORA has the perfect storage solution for every need. Made from premium metal, our products are built to last and arrive fully assembled, ready to use immediately. Ordering with CASA DORA is simple and hassle-free. Start by browsing our easy-to-navigate website to find exactly what you need. Once you've made your selection, choose from our secure payment options and enjoy free shipping Australia-wide. You'll receive a tracking number by email to follow your order right to your door. At CASA DORA, transforming your space has never been easier. Visit www.casadora.com.au and shop today to experience effortless organization with even more storage solutions to choose from. CASA DORA, making storage simple, stylish, and built to last.